Hey everybody, we're going to do some stock lock Sunday here. I got an alpha padlock. It's been sitting around here. It came from eBay a little bit ago. Never actually tried to pick it. It says number 1200. I think that's 45 millimeter, although I don't really know how big 45 millimeters is, but I thought it was bigger, but who knows. Maybe it's not. I guess it's probably not. Yeah, maybe someday my country will switch to the metric system like the rest of the world, then I'll figure it out. Anyway, let's see if we can pick it open here. There's our key. It's a little, it's like a 4-pinner. All right, we're open. Well, I guess kind of a fun pick for a little 4-pin lock. Anyway, that'll do it for this edition of Stock Lock Sunday. Get to, I guess, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And one of these days I might actually get this guy on camera. I did manage to get it open and get a key made for it, but been a little bit camera shy, so no video. But maybe down the road. Anyway, that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.